How to add events to Google Calendar. Google Calendar is a free web-based calendar app that allows you to create and share calendars with different guests or groups of people. It's important to accurately plan your schedule, both for professional and personal reasons, but using this tool can be cumbersome at times. This article will teach you how to make it much easier by adding events from Facebook on top of Google Calendar without the hassle. Reminder is an app that uses your phone or computer's webcam if you have one, and allows you to do two things. You can create a reminder that will appear on the device as well, showing up via calls/messages. Or it will generate a sound so that anyone can receive alerts to whatever they want, whether it be agritourism dates, media releases or meeting reminders. If you don't have an event or have multiple events related to the same day, you can add the events to the calendar by clicking the add on the top right of your screen. The 7-day weekends event window allows you to make appointments for the days that are marked as weekends. You can also set up alerts on your calendar. Two other windows allow you to specify the type of events that you want: parties, meetings, newsletters, etc. This is where I create check-in links for events and manage my tasks. Capo uses the unique technique of creating reminders with email links to specific dates or times, for example, whenever someone checks their Google Calendar. Google Calendar makes it easy to add events. It automatically syncs with your Google Contacts and other calendars you linked in the service. You can generate a calendar by pasting an event's URL or entering a specific meeting time and address. Be aware that duplicating events will get overwritten when scrolling through the calendar. Using colors helps make you more organized. The Google Calendar. 9. Google Docs. New documents in a Word document are saved to your online storage unless you trash the file. Instead of wasting file space keeping important pages or files, it is always a good idea to keep them in your online storage for convenience. You can access and save any document from within the preview window provided by Word/Google Document, which is displayed above an online storage server once you've showed that you want to upload it. And how to add events to Google Calendar. Event Planner is a Google Chrome extension that was created to help users easily add events from the website and share them with others. They can choose categories, set reminders, and more. This extension is available for the users who are not interested in day-to-day Google Calendar. Thetford United Methodist Church recently opened up its doors for this season's open house on Friday afternoon, August 4th. To help baby boomer hikers or fishermen see clearer stars at night, Sand County NWR Extension Agent Stacy Morrow offered these tips. How to add appointment and meetings to Google Calendars. Google Calendar is a convenient system for organizing similar events into calendars. Adding events to your Google Calendar is easy and helps you keep track of many activities. There are different types of events that you can add, including meetings, birthdays, and even appointments. How to add appointments to your Google Calendar. Google Calendar is a great way for you to keep track of upcoming events and appointments in your life. It only takes a couple of minutes to set up, but once you're there, it will make it easy for you. If this is not enough though, and you want more options with your calendar, in this tutorial we will show you how to distribute time spent in a meeting on Google Calendar. Google Calendar is a perfect way to maintain the calendar. It allows you to manage appointments, view events, take pictures of your day, and more. One problem with Google Calendar is that it can be difficult to assign time during meetings or other planned times when you will be away from home. To add time in the calendar for these purposes, follow these steps. Log into your Google Calendar. Click on the title in the upper right corner of the screen, click Meeting, and tap or click Quick Actions greater than Administer Time. Under Etc. If a meeting is blocked out, type in any additional time you'd like to have in your calendar. The system dates follow along with time zone settings. You may also set up different calendars under Add Meeting Info if that feature is available, then tap or click Save. The power of a public group on Facebook. Google Calendar can be a helpful tool to organize your busy schedule. One way to make sure that you do everything in your power is by letting everyone know what events are on the calendar. This can help you get organized without having to rely on mental lists, because with one click of the mouse, everyone has access to an updated list of your events. Another great feature is that it allows you to schedule meetings with other members automatically. The calendar of Google Calendar can also be analyzed to find the common patterns by which groups function amongst themselves. This will allow you to drill down into the data and see who your members interact with most often. For example, the freedom and versatility provided by Google Calendar's group management tool can help everyone within a group or organization feel connected and take control over when projects are getting done.